Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text, emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling function. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Emphasis on changes. Highlight the changes you made in this form. Admin user. Enter the name of the administrative user for the server. Mount position. Please enter the path to the mount location. IP address to set on the web server. Please enter the IP address you have chosen for the web server. Fedora37. Initial settings. Link. Extend root file system. Creating general users. Restrict users who can become root. Deletion of general users. Disable firewall and S-Way Renakusu. Network settings. Router settings. System modernization. Add module. Package automatic update settings. Web administration console settings. Vim, text editor, settings. Setting up sudo, root privileges. Extend root file system. Check and record the topmost root file system. The root file system is 15 gigabits by default, so expand it. Expand the recorded top-level, root theoretical volume. Please change to your own file path in the form above. Extend the top-level, root file system you recorded. Creating general users. Log in to root user. Create a general user. General users are not required in the initial settings. Set a password. Restrict users who can become root. Limit the users who can become root. Remove hashu to uncomment. Deletion of general users. When deleting only users. If you also want to delete your home directory. Disable firewall and S-Way Renakusu. Stop the firewall service. Disable auto start settings. Disable S-Way Renakusu. Change to disabled. Restart. Network settings. Disable IPv6. Line 6. Add IPv6. Disable equals 1. Apply changes. Router settings. If you can set a DHCP fixed IP address on your router, set the MAC address and server IP address. System modernization. Modernize your system. Add module. Install Node.js 14. Check the module. Reset Node.js. Install Node.js 18. Check the module. Package automatic update settings. Install DNF automatic. Configure DNF automatic. Enable automatic downloads and updates. Package automatic update automatic startup settings. Web administration console settings. Enable Cockpit to make the web administration console available. Access the web management console using the client PC's web browser and log in as root. Vim text editor settings. Install Vim text editor. Apply a command alias. Add it to the last line. Apply changes. Configure Vim. Display line numbers. The server settings will be explained using line numbers. Setting up sudo root privileges. Set root privileges to a specific user. Add it to the last line. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.